Hi guys, welcome to the AB Auto channel. So today I wanted to do a video on my Puma because it's due for its MOT soon. So obviously you have to check all the lights and everything to make sure that they're working. So as I was checking all my lights, as you can see, so my brake lights are working, the number plate lights are working, but then when I check the fog light, only one's working. It's not working. So I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb. I'm actually going to replace it with an LED bulb. So I'm going to show you how to
this is quite
get
simple
on with that
job really. You just get yourself a flathead screwdriver, then pop off this cap here. That cap pops off, and then inside there's just two Phillips screws that need to come out. So you just get a Phillips screwdriver and undo these screws. And when you've got the screws out, it should just pull out. There we go. And that just pulls out. Then there's a connector here, and you just twist it anti-clockwise, and then it pulls out like so. And you get your new bulbs. So this is the new one, and it's just a case of pushing it in, twist, then the old one comes out, and then you just align the new one with the indentation marks which are there and there, push in, turn clockwise. So now I'm just going to turn the ignition on the lights just to make sure that that is working. So yeah, as you can see, that's working nicely. So all you do now is you pop it into the new holder. There's some indentation marks which you have to line it up with. Like that. And then it just clicks into place, and then you simply just put it back. I'm going to turn the lights off so I can see better because they're very bright. Wow, they're actually so bright. They're brighter than the old ones. And then it's just a simple case of you align this bit into there, and then it just pushes back in like that. You get your two screws. And then you just screw it back in. And that's how you do it. Then you just get the cap again, align it up, and you just clips back into place. Like that. So there you go guys, that's how you replace the fog light LED, or you can just put a standard bulb in. I think it's a 380, a P380 or a P81 I think. I'm not too sure, but I'll put a link in the description
of what LED bulb I use. I got them off Amazon, so they're not very expensive. I'm going to do the other side now as well, so it matches. Obviously I'm going to show you that on camera because you've already seen me do the other side. And yes, apologies for such a long delayed video, as the weather hasn't been too great in the UK, so I've just waited for a nice day to do this. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.